drivers na rin ho kami at operators na nabigyan ng notice. And then, yung mga nabigyan ho, may mga sumagot na rin at marami ho ang hindi sumagot. Of the more than 1,000 na nabigyan ng notice sa Metro Manila, I would say about 60% of them have already received a notice and nag-lapse na yung 5 days for them to file an answer. Yung iba, they were contesting the program. Yung iba refused to even answer. In all cases, we have already made a resolution that since they did not comply with the industry consolidation required by the government, tanggal na po yung prangkisa nila. Which means that by May 16, we can now slowly apprehend yung mga napadalhan ng notice at hindi po sumagot or sumagot man, hindi po katanggap-tanggap yung sagot nila. These are now considered as colorum under the Public Service Act and they can be apprehended anytime. By May 16, we will now be in the streets to look for possible violators. Lang ng Congress, isubmit namin yung aming study. Yun lang naman po. So, the program and the board resolution of the Congress is still in effect.